I I want to stay outside for looking outside, yes. Patan, hi Kiagos. Hello ma'am, Patan, can you please connect to Kiagos Palimbang, please? Kiagos Nago Kesa. Oh, come on. It's guys, connect tayo guys ha. Gusto niyo guys mag-member sa channel ko, pwede pa kayo magpa-member. 79 pesos only guys para tulong ninyo sa ating charity haircut. Para tulong guys ninyo sa ating charity haircut, pwede kayo guys mag-member, just only 79 pesos, like that. Thank you so much Ma'am Patan for the like. William, where's your house? Where's my house? I just leave my over there, ma'am. I just left there, over there. It's my shop, William Barber Shop, at the back. I'm here in the front. Yes, ma'am. Patan, that's my shop. William, this is your shop. Yes, ma'am. You're right, ma'am. You're right. 12 people in the house. Mega love shout out guys and 4 thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will next you ma'am in the pin, Patan. Yan guys ha, kung sino gusto magpa-member, ma-membership po tayo, 79 pesos lang po guys. Mababa, murang-mura po. Murang-mura lang po guys ang ating membership bilang tulong ninyo sa ating charity haircut, bilang suporta. Pwede po kayo guys mag-member ha. Jimen, Indonesian, Sihan. What's that? Alam niya ni Idol no? Ni Kiagos Kota Palimbang. Magkakaitinda sila guys ni Ma'am Patan. Wow naman guys, talaga sarap talaga ng hangin dito sa labas. Lumilipad-lipad ang mga guys, yung mga magaan kasi grabe talagang hangin, ang sarap tumumbay. Sorry guys, 13 people in the house and 5 times up. Thank you so much for coming my live. Thank you so much guys. 14 people in the house. Thank you so much guys for coming my live. Mary Pinkay vlog. Tamsak po. Mary Pinkay harang to. Patan, okay. Hi Mary Pinkay. 16 people in the house. Mega love shout out guys. Good evening. Thank you so much Ma'am Mary Pinkay. Thank you so much Ma'am Pinkay sa inyo pag-visit sa aking live. Andito lang Ma'am Pinkay sa labas, nagpapahangin ako. Mahangin nga siya, maganda. Malamig ang hangin, so nakaka-refresh, nakaka-relax sa scene.